Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to update YouTube app on your phone. So to update the YouTube app you have just to go to the App Store, and after that go and click on the search bar, and after that type YouTube and see like the first app, and you can update it from here. Or there is another method. You have just to go to like the App Store, click on your picture on the top right of the screen, and after that scroll down and it will show you here the apps that need to be updated, and if you find YouTube with them you can update it also from there. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next